Welcome back to ClearTask. Today, I will show you how to disable facial verification and biometric login on your Binance app. This is useful if you prefer using standard two-factor authentication instead. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and ensure you are logged into your account. Tap on the Binance logo or the menu icon in the top left corner of your screen. From there, click on your profile to open your account settings. Next, select the security option. This section manages all of your active login and verification methods. Before you can disable facial verification, you must have an alternative security method active. Look for the email or authenticator app options. If they are not set up yet, tap on them and follow the short prompts to verify your email or link your authenticator. Once your alternative method is verified and active, find the Passkeys and Biometrics option. Tap on it and you will be able to toggle off or remove your facial recognition data from the login process. After making this change, restart your app so everything updates smoothly. Your account remains fully secure, but you now have complete control over how you log in. That is all for today. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe to ClearTask for more straightforward tutorials. See you in the next one.